Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok cash on delivery. If you're experiencing issues with TikTok cash on delivery payments, here are some steps you can take to try to resolve the issue. First, you need to check the payment information. Ensure that the payment information you provided, such as your credit card details or payment methods, is accurate and up to date. You could also try verify your payment method. Make sure the payment method you're trying to use is accepted by TikTok for cash on delivery transactions. Sometimes certain payment method may not be supported, or you could also try updating your TikTok app. Go to Play Store and in the search icon type TikTok and enter it, and make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements related to payment process. Or you could also check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection while making the payment. Poor connectivity can lead to transaction failures. Or you could also try restarting the app. Open your TikTok app and close it completely, and then you can also reopen it. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches as well. And if possible, you could also try a different payment method to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is specific to one payment method or if it's a broader issue with TikTok's payment system. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to seek further assistance from TikTok support or consider using alternative payment methods. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix TikTok cash on delivery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.